Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Range Rover Vogue SE. So first of all, what we do, we go to Bluetooth, switch Bluetooth on, and then we're watching down here at the bottom. Over to the system, click phone. You'll see there, at the moment it's just showing what phones can be connected, but you've got search new, so we click search new. Please select a search option below, device to vehicle, vehicle to device. I'm going to do vehicle to device. Click there. It's looking for it now. Just watch. Searching, searching, searching. Barry's iPhone 15 Pro. Click on that. To pair and connect phone, enter 3610 on handset. 3610. Pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. Let's see, Range Rover Sport, Range Rover. Connecting to Barry's iPhone 15 Pro. Connected. You'll see there the sat nav's come up. That's always a good sign it's connected. That's it. That's how you do it. Phone connected. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Range Rover Vogue SE. All we do, we go to music. All these things are killers, so we'll click on that. If you see there, it says Range Rover at the bottom. If it doesn't say Range Rover, you'll see there, if I click on that, it will play through the speakers, through the phone speaker. So onto Range Rover. It's now set up so that anything that plays on this phone, any audio, whether it be Spotify, Amazon Prime Music, iTunes, the soundtrack of a YouTube video, it will play through these speakers if you do it correctly. So we click play. That's playing. We now go over to audio video. It says please insert disc. We don't want to do that. We want source. Click source, and then you've got the option to choose iPod, stored CDs, USB auxiliary, or Barry's iPhone 15 Pro. All these things, and then as you can tell there, the sound is absolutely fantastic. You won't be able to tell, especially if you're watching it on your phone or listening to it on your phone or a laptop. But in here, it's absolutely awesome. I promise you, it's brilliant. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Range Rover Vogue SE. So from any screen, there's nothing connected at the moment. So what we do, we click on phone. You'll see there, it comes up with this screen. There's nothing connected. It shows you what can be connected, but it also gives you a delete button. Click on delete. Delete Barry's iPhone 15 Pro, yes. That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2015 Range Rover Vogue SE. From any screen, click nav. You've got destination entry up there, destination entry. Postcode is best, like so. We are Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, Preston, P. R5. The Land Rover system, you don't need to put a space in even though it's only got 2 digits, so that's 4 E A PR5 4 EA. OK. Even though you've clicked OK there, you still have to click go.
Please follow the highlighted route.
That's it.
Turn left and then turn right at the end of the road.
That's how you set the sat nav. The other great thing with the Land Rover, as I say, it's so easy to use. They seem to have thought of everything. To knock it off, you're getting nearer home, and well, in this case, he's still giving you direction to turn right up your drive, you know, and all that sort of stuff. So all you do, go to home menu, and then you've got on-road navigation, cancel guidance. It's gone. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.